Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're coming to you from prime Notting Hill, and you know that I always like to show you super special one-off houses. This one that we're going to have a look at is on the market for 2.75 million. We're in the wonderful Hillgate Village in Notting Hill. It's going to have 4 bedrooms, a wonderful open plan kitchen and lounge and 3 bathrooms, and it's been finished like a bespoke Savile Row suite. Let's take a look inside. Number 35, under the banner of Sharia Homes. No banks, no loans and no interest, and we always create value. This is a 4-bedroom house with 3 bathrooms, and it's got an open plan kitchen and lounge. We've also got a roof terrace on the top floor. We've got 2 bedrooms, one here with this curved feature on the wardrobes. Downstairs we've got a master bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe. But let's start off with the roof terrace and work our way down. A unique feature to access the roof terrace is this James Bond roof. Outdoor space is so important, so what we've got is a decked roof terrace. We've got panoramic views across London, and this is a unique selling point when it comes to a freehold house in Notting Hill. Starting from the top floor, we've got 2 bedrooms, and it's so important to point out that quality is the key when it comes to luxury property in prime central London. Some of the features that we've got are this bespoke staircase, we've got this oak cladded stairs, and behind me you're going to have a look at some of these bedrooms and the colour palette, which is also interior design. Starting with the front facing bedroom, we've got a nice pink wood sash windows with brass fittings are so important just to keep it consistent throughout the house, and then the joinery is key. An arch feature which is on this road, and what we've done is we've created a story with the arch feature and included it in this wardrobe and in a door frame downstairs too. As we step out, it's a hot summer's day, it's a new experience for me, and the breeze coming from that glass roof open is absolutely awesome. We're now in the rear facing bedroom, and size is a premium in this location. It's always about price per square foot. In this room we've got bespoke wardrobes with a glass feature, a little bit like a Savile Row or a boutique, and then we've got the wood sash windows, painted radiators, and we have this gold trimming which is a bespoke finish on this herringbone floor. Both of these bedrooms are serviced by a family bathroom, and we've got this glass feature that looks onto the flat roof and also brings in a touch of natural light. As we enter this bathroom, we've got a nice natural colour. What we've included here are some grey tiles. We've got the gold detail there that just gives it that quality. New wood sash windows that brings in natural light from this side, and then we've got a mirrored cabinet that allows you to bounce the natural light, and it just makes this room feel a lot brighter. What we've also got here is a stone finish similar to what you would get in a hotel. For those of you that have watched the previous videos, you'll remember how this bedroom started. We stripped out, the new windows were placed, we've got the new ceilings, we've got the new doors, the new floors, and then the other bedroom that we had has now been turned into a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite. And this is how we've transformed this principal suite. So what we have is a master bedroom that accommodates a super king size bed. On the left hand side here we've got some bespoke joinery for some storage, which is such an important consideration, and many developers and many flippers forget about these end user considerations. On the right hand side, wood sash windows, the brass fittings also follow through, very crucial, and then there's a blue spray painted bespoke radiator. Behind me we've got a walk-in wardrobe which leads on to a private ensuite. So to enter your ensuite, you've got to come through this walk-in wardrobe. It's all oak cladded, it's got soft closing doors, and then you enter into this super special space. To have a bath in an ensuite in Notting Hill is actually a bonus. And then we've got a wet room shower, we've got a basin, a toilet, and then the window brings in some natural light. Before we exit, another important touch as a space saver is this pocket door, which is a super smooth slide and close or slide and open. As we exit this room, another important consideration for end users is a utility space. As experienced developers, we came out with a clever solution, worked with our architects, and on this landing, behind this secret door, we've got a utility space for a washing machine, a dryer, and some shelving, and the family remains clutter-free. You remember the arch detail upstairs? It follows through from downstairs, and here we've got a nice pocket door solution that leads into this 4th bedroom or study. Size is a premium, and we could could have actually turned this into a study, but what we decided to do is give them some storage space on the left, and we've got some hanging rails underneath here, and then we've got some shelving here. On the other side, it accommodates a single bed or a study, and the family then have the choice to either use this as a guest room, a fourth bedroom, or a study. The entire house feels like a home and it's super special, but downstairs is what we have as a wow factor and a super entrance. So we've got to try and create zones, and the first zone is this hallway, which allows you to take your coats off and your shoes and have a small storage solution. And then what we also wanted to do was keep the space as an open flow. So what we created was this spatial divider, and that allows for the division but also privacy, so it feels like it's a closed space. Coming into this space, it's all about zones. Now just imagine entertaining your friends, having some family members here and using this space. What we've got here on the left hand side is this reception room, and it's prime for Notting Hill. And this piece of joinery is absolutely mesmerizing. I love the textured finish on here. We've got the nice shelves and these drawers open, and on a cool winter's night that lights up with a lovely flame and a warm fire. Coming behind us, we've got zone number 2, which is this dining space here. Now we've just put this down as a show house in terms of the furniture, but up to the buyers, they can go for a Minotti, they can go for Vitra, and everybody around here is very versed on expensive designer furniture that can accommodate spaces and are very cleverly designed and made. Third zone, what we've got is we've got this bespoke kitchen. I love the stone on here. I love the glass. This is an antique glass, and the reason that we did that is we wanted it to bounce the natural light from the outside and bring it in on the inside. Now what's really important here is this space here used to be an outside patio. We got the planning permission, we extended the house and we incorporated this space into the house. We've got a glass roof that flows down and it brings a little bit of the outside in. Now we also need a separate WC in here, so that's quite important because when you do have your guests, you don't want them going upstairs to your bathroom, and this is where we have it. Under the staircase, open the door and we have this lovely WC. We've followed through with the antique mirror, and it's just very usable and something that the family will need. Creating high-end homes is not for the faint-hearted, and there's many gurus out there, there's many property tours out there, but what's important about this is that this is our own project. Under the banner of Sharia Homes, it's fully paid in cash, no banks, no loans and no interest, and that is the blessing from the Almighty. It's on the market at 2.75, and if you're looking for a family home in prime Notting Hill in central London and you're looking for something special, this is an amazing house. Until next time, take care. Monty Nawaz out.